15th August 1977, Ohio Wesleyan University. It was a routine day, but that very night something was about to happen that would remain a mystery to humans for the years to come. The Big Ear radio telescope at the university, with a 30-meter wide reflector, detected a very large radio signal at 10:01 p.m. This signal traveled from the telescope to the IBM 1130 computer and was automatically converted into a printout. The control room was silent, except for the sound of the printer. The printout of the signal got lost among other printouts, and for the moment no one realized that the Big Ear telescope had received an alien signal coming from the Sagittarius constellation. A few days later, a technician at the control room picked up all the printouts and noticed a strange signal. Jerry Ehman, after seeing the printout, highlighted it with a red pen and wrote, "Wow," next to it. From that moment on, the signal has been known as the WOW signal. But what made this signal so special? For the last 47 years, it has remained an unsolved mystery. Was this signal a message from aliens or just a coincidence? Let's delve into this mystery. Welcome back to Global Facts Videos. The importance of the WOW signal lies in a study published around 18 years prior to this event. In 1959, Cornell University physicists Philip Morrison and Giuseppe Cocconi released a paper in which they hypothesized that if an extraterrestrial civilization existed, they would likely communicate with us using a frequency of 1420 megahertz. This frequency was chosen because it is naturally emitted by hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, which could serve as a universal and understandable reference point for any technologically advanced civilization. Therefore, this frequency was considered ideal for extraterrestrial communication. Following this study, in 1973, Ohio State University dedicated its Big Ear radio telescope to searching for intelligent signals from beyond Earth. This mission, known as SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, was the longest-running mission of its time, designed to detect signals from extraterrestrial life. The telescope, located near the Perkins Observatory on the Ohio Wesleyan University campus, was tasked with scanning different parts of the sky for any intelligent signals from outside our planet. On the night of August 15th, 1977, the telescope received a signal so unique and powerful that Jerry Ehman and his team of scientists were left astounded. The signal lasted for 72 seconds and, after computer conversion, appeared as 6EJ5. This signal did not contain any hidden message in the form of numbers or letters, but rather, these represented the intensity of the signal, how strong it was. The WOW signal had 6 characters, and each character represented 12 seconds of data recorded by the telescope. Normally, signals detected by the Big Ear telescope ranged in intensity from 1 to 3 or 4, but the WOW signal began with a value of 6, which was already an unusual intensity. If a signal exceeds a value of 10, it is converted into alphabetic characters. The signal continued with other values, 14, 26, and 30, which were then translated into the letters E, Q, and Y, respectively. The most significant part of the WOW signal was that it was only detected on the 1420 millimeter frequency band, which is naturally associated with hydrogen. Scientists initially wondered if the signal could have been generated randomly from space, as there are countless asteroids, planets, and galaxies. However, this particular frequency band is reserved for astronomy, and radio signals on this frequency cannot be transmitted from Earth. This made it unlikely for the signal to have originated from Earth. Another interesting aspect is that this signal was only detected once. If it had been generated by a natural cosmic event, it would have been detected repeatedly. Furthermore, cosmic events do emit signals, but they do not follow the same pattern. The paracosmic, signal gradually increased in intensity and then faded, which is typical of signals intentionally generated. In 1995, Antonio Perez suggested that the signal might have come from hydrogen clouds in space. However, despite multiple attempts to detect it again using more sensitive telescopes, no one has been able to hear the signal again. The exact location from where the WOW signal came is still unknown. The Big Ear telescope had 2 feed horns, and the signal was only detected by one of them. Due to the design of the telescope, it is impossible to determine the exact coordinates of the signal's origin, though it is believed to have come from a specific area in the Sagittarius constellation near the globular cluster M55. To this day, the origin of the WOW signal remains an unresolved mystery. Scientists continue to search for answers, and theories abound as to what the signal was and where it came from. Was it a message from an alien civilization, or was it a natural cosmic event? The search continues, and the WOW signal remains one of the greatest unexplained phenomena in the history of science. 47 years have passed since that night, but the WOW signal has never been detected again. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. Your comments are greatly appreciated. See you in the next exciting video.